AveryCatVideos, and today we are going on an adventure. So, AveryCatVideos, I'm doing a lot of gaming now, not so many like videos, just of non-gaming. I don't know. I'm now doing gaming. Ooh. Trade. Do you have anything to trade with? Oh, you do. Ooh, I like those bad glasses to search. Okay, well, sorry, Lily, but I have to do an adventure. Oh, we are doing Cosmo. So let's do this. Fine. Hello, Cosmo. Hey there, I'm Cosmo the Koala Alpha. Welcome to the special part of Jama I like to call home. Those lousy phantoms made a mess of this land while I was gone. There are polluted plants and streams all over the place, and none of my crops are growing. Oh no, I sent out 2 koala explorers before I left. I hope the phantoms didn't get to them. Could you water the crops in my garden while I make sure the explorers are safe? Well, use well water to water 6 or 7 crops. 6 more. I mean 5 more. Not 6 more. Lush trees. Is there any crops around here? I want to know. Do these count as crops? No, okay. Grapes. Two more. Okay. There's one over here. I'm sorry, but I don't have the plug. Hold on. The last one. It's a beehive. It's so sticky. Those crops look great. I'm afraid that that's the only piece of good news I have, though. Phantoms have captured the 2 koala explorers. They were exploring the caverns, I don't know, to see if they could find ingredients for a new plant. Looks like it's up to us to rescue them, and I've got just the thing to help us. This is a formula that will help this tree grow boom seeds, not bomb seeds. Seeds are special seeds that can help us defeat the phantoms. Xanthims, not phantoms. I was thinking of pandas. Making boom seeds is a hard process that takes a lot of special ingredients. The first 3 ingredients are nectar, chomper seeds, and honey. I got nectar and chomper seeds in my den, and you can find honey in the beehive garden. Could you find those ingredients for me? Okay, I'll do that. Just put it in the comment section. seed and honey gatherer ever. Yeah. Like all living things, the boom seeds need lots of nutrients to grow. 4 of the fruits and vegetables from my garden should do nicely. Once we add the crops, these boom seeds will be complete, and we can rescue the explorers. Could you help bring me the crops? I can't stop stirring, or else the seeds will turn out bad. First fruit we need is, oh, what's it called? It's small, red, very delicious. Do you know the fruit I'm talking about? Is it strawberries? It's small, and it's red, and it's very delicious. A strawberry, just fruit I was looking for. Thank you so much. The next ingredient is, let's see. I know it's unique, because even though it looks and tastes like a vegetable, it's actually a fruit. Tomato. I always think that unique is unique. It doesn't have no T in it. Why did that? I don't know, because I'm awesome. No, because I'm crazy. Because I'm awesome and crazy, yes. The third ingredient we need is called something. These little fruits grow in bunches on vines. What are they called? Drapes? No. Creepies? I don't know what this is. No, I don't think so. Drapes sound like grapes, so I guess it's grapes and stuff. Grapes, wonderful. Thanks. We only have one ingredient left. The last vegetable we need is on the tip of my tongue. You know the one I'm talking about. It's pink and it's pink and red, and it grows in the ground. A radish. That's it. Thank you so much. And with that, the boom seeds are done. And not a minute too soon. Whenever you see a tree like the one next to me, click on it to gather its boom seeds. Boom. If you want to use a boom seed, just click on the icon and drag the seed where you want it to go. You can use boom seeds to feed phantoms and break apart boulders. The phantoms block the path to the left with a boulder. Use your boom seed to show it who's boss. Okay, you did it. Remember, you can use boom seeds on boulders that are blocking your path. Now we got to save 2 koala explorers. They were exploring the caverns, and I bet that's where they got captured. Caverns or caverns? Oh no! Let's go and see. Wait a minute. I have a better idea. Follow this path to the first... Whatever. I'm not even sure to say. I'm going to see if I can learn what the phantoms are up to. Be careful. You never know what nasty tricks the phantoms might pull. I guess the phantoms are evil people. I mean, what else? If they're trying to kill you. They're trying to kill you, matey. Okay. I actually need seeds, so I'll just pluck some. Like, no. It's pink, not pink. Okay. Here, phantom. Ha ha, run after me, ha ha. Chocolate plant, eat it. Oh, that actually works. I didn't know that would work. Okay. Just kidding, I knew that would work. What is it? It's just fun. Okay, it's just fun. Nothing of use there. Regger. I found this cork that can plug up a phantom pipe, but I'm too scared to go outside and use it. I think it's Regger. Okay, well, if you're too scared, I'll be playing. Okay. Phantom pipe. I don't know where the phantom pipe is. I know. I need to find the phantom. Hello, bird. I don't need to sing your song. Haha. escape. Now we can return on an adventure. Na 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 na. Okay. Oh, so long to walk. Oh, hello, sir. The phantoms have trapped 2 of my koala friends inside the different caverns. Even if it's not both of those, I don't really know. Okay. Is there anyone here? Is there anyone here? Ooh, I like this room. It's very elegant. Is what I'm gonna be saying. Elegant. I hope that was a plant. It was just one. Plant. Oh, that guy's evil. Oh wait, I can get him. Why'd I put it over there? No, I died. Actually, I'm not dead. Let's show that phantom his boss. Phantorino. Shoot. Well, I can't show him his boss if I'm gonna die. Ah! Wait, I really can't show this guy his boss. Ah! Ah! I'm usually very good at this. Why am I so bad? Ha! Yeah! Across the bridge. If you play its song on this pipe, that ladder will grow. I know this. I saw a bird over here, so I know it. Man, how do I remember that? Bird. Blue, green, orange, red, purple. Blue, green, orange, red, purple. Oh, I get it now. I'm in a cavern. Okay, guys. We will explore this cavern, or whatever you want to call it, in the next episode. So, yep. See you guys soon.